Right. Now I'm posting one more entry. Once I have received bank amount, I want to post few expenditure. I'm going to F-02. See here, I want to post office rent. Office rent account data to bank. 400,301, right? And 204.05 is my bank account. Say 25,000 I am posting office rent. Go to F-02. Here, okay, 27. Once you enter, the date will appear and take 27. Type of document SA period file. Huh?
I guess we posted this one in
Yeah, we have
DRL.
posted this. That's why I'm posting in DRL only. I'll post one or two and then we'll switch over to DRLB. Yeah, we have posted all these things. I remember. Right. So here, office rent account data to bank. So office rent GL account number 4,03,001. Press enter. So office rent debit for debit entry 40. Say 25,000. My business area DRHY. So office rent paid. Office rent paid for the month of July. Posting key 50. So debit 40, credit 50. Debit 40, credit 50. So office rent account data to bank. My bank is 204.05. So first line item is debit line item along with text. Second is credit line item along with text. Press enter. So 25,000 office rent business area. Click on overview. Click on overview. Right? Save it. So entry number 3 posted. Similarly, you can post any number of expenses. And acha. Now we'll make certain. Okay. Right. Now I want to post one more entry. Now from now onwards, I'm using DRLB company code. DRLB. DRLB, DRL both are run the same. The configuration settings, everything we have done same. Now I will show you about posting period variant. If you remember, we have discussed in length about the posting period variant. See, regarding tolerance group, I have shown you, right? Tolerance group above 5 lakh system, above 10 lakh system did not accept it, right? So because we have given limit here and this limit has been linked to my user ID, right? So assign user ID DRAM. Say for example, DRAO is there. DRAO, for that I have user ID only up to 5 lakhs. If I give that one, let me check. DRAO. If I give this user ID, save it. Now I'm posting accounting entry in DRLB. Let me check. Bank account data to equity share capital account. Bank account is 204.05. Tolerance. Acha, here what happens? 1 minute. What I need to do is right. Go to new entries. Username same Anand. Tolerance group. right? DRAO is DRLB. DRFM, DRAO, save it. $204.05. If I take 6 lakhs, let me check whether system accepts bank account data to equity share capital account. See, you may post documents up to only 5 lakhs because here for DRLB company code against AO, against DRAO, that is Dr. Reddy Labs accounts officer, amount is given only 5 lakhs. So that's the reason system allows me only 5 lakhs. Right. So I need to take only 5 lakhs, not more than that. So this is one check. Next check. I want to show you how posting period variant works. Document number 6 was posted. So this is in Dr. Reddy Labs bulk drugs. Now here, if you remember posting period variant, ledgers, fiscal year and posting periods, my posting period, open and close posting periods. Posting period variant, DR, Reddy Labs, PV. We have created one posting period variant, Dr. Reddy Labs posting period variant in step number 13. And here first period to 13 period, all periods are open. Since all periods are open, I can post accounting entry in any month, right? Say now 27th. So we have posted today's date. Now if I want to post an entry on say 01/04/2013. So 1st April I want to post an entry. Let me check whether the system allows me. SA, everything is same. See, period system will automatically, it will change. So DRPV, I'm taking, see, for all periods are kept open. And here period, though it is showing 5, now it will change. Say office rent 400 302. Telephone expenses account this is. Press enter. System gives a message. Period 5 adjusted in line with the posting date 1/4. See, automatically by default it has taken 1. So since we have taken the posting period, posting date and document date 1/4, system, okay, shifted immediately to first period. See, system is allowing me to post. Say 5,500. Posting key 50. So expenses account data to bank 204.05. Okay, now what you? Acha, one more thing here. What is this value date? What is the value date system showing? 27. But what is the date of posting and date of document? 1/4. So though the date of document and date of posting are with old date, the major effect, see, day entry will be posted with the date, but effect is done with today's date. This is called value date. And also, if you remember, in our here, define default value date and propose fiscal year. So define default value date means whatever the default value date we have, that will be taken. So today is the value date, the date on which the actual value is going to be affected. So that's why system shows value date. Even for, see here also it is showing value date. Now save it. System will allow me to save because all periods are kept open. Now I want to change this. Come here, write in OB52 DRPV from, I'm taking only now fifth period to fifth period. Save it. Now let us try the same entry. First of all, you have to come out. See, posting period 1 of 2013 is not open. So your posting periods are controlled from here, right? So what we have done here, we have defined DRPV, that is assigned to company code, and DRPV, Dr. Reddy posting period variant. Here the parameters we have defined is only current month should be kept open. Means current month is opened. That's why you cannot post accounting entry in any month other than the current period. System will not allow you, right? So this is check. So like that, whatever the major changes that we have made, that is creation we have made, I want to show you how it works.
Posting and closing the dates. I think there is one more transaction code, MMPV or
No, that is MM. MMPV is your material management, right? Only 2 periods will be kept open, and to open that we go to MMPV and change the date. But this is accounting period, accounting posting period. This is, that is for inventory value, inventory.
Okay, right.
Right, MMPV purely inventory, that is.
Okay, right.
So that is MM consultants T code. OB52 is financial accountants T code. So here I told you yesterday, you remember?
Yes.
Right, every month on or before 5th we come here and we change. Here I told you 5/5. This is what I was telling you.
Yes.
Right? See 5
right,
and
right,
5
clear,
from period
right.
2 of 2013. Right? So it will not. Right. Next. So we have defined company code, define company.
I have a question actually.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah. Ask me.
I tried to post entries, but it gave me an error that there is no item category assigned to the account number. Why would it give that error?
Yeah, that is because of the new GL. What you do, come on, note down first. Take your scribbling pad.
Okay.
Go to general ledger accounting, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, business transactions, document splitting. Because by default in UGL is activated, document splitting is activated. That we need to deactivate. Right, note down path, financial accounting new, general ledger accounting new, business transactions, document splitting. All of you note it because you may get the same problem. Right? Click on activate document splitting. Come out. Here there will be a check mark like this. Right? Remove this check. Remove this check and save it. Then your problem will be solved. Right?
But this document splitting, I think it should be selected or deselected when it is used, like
See,
splitting
this
when
should
it
be
is done.
deselected at this juncture. At this juncture, because once we do the configuration for document splitting, then only we'll activate it, not now. Right? We
Okay,
have
right.
the topic, new GL topic is there. So when we go to new GL topic, there we activate document splitting.
Right.
Right?
Okay.
So first of all, you deactivate. So, okay. So these are the settings you can do. Now, what are the entries that we have posted? I want to see. Document I want to see. The document entry, here we have posted the documents. Now, I want to see the document, means display document. Click on document. Document change FB02. Document display FB03. Right? So whatever it may be, this or this, nothing new. Right? Both are same almost. Here you can change the document. Here you cannot change it. Right? I'm going to FB02. Double click on this. And here, if you mention document number, system will show you the document number. Say for example, document number 5. Enter document number and company code DRLB and fiscal year 2013. Press enter. Right? So here you can see the entry. And this is office rent account data, telephone expense account data, office maintenance account data to bank account. So this is multi-line entry we have posted. See here, document entry FB50. In FB50 I can post multi-line entry. Right? Say office rent. That is 200, not 200, sorry, 400, 301 is my office rent. Then 400, 302 is my telephone expenses. 400, 303 is my office maintenance. Like that, all these things you can debit. Say debit expenses, debit, and credit is to bank account. Credit bank account. Right, say office rent, say 22,500. Telephone expenses 9,900. Office maintenance 4,400. Total bank. So I can take star so that system will copy the total. So what is the company? Acha, we are posting in DRL. Sorry. I want to post company code DRLB. 400, 301, 400, 302, 400, 303, 200, 405. These are all 4 expenses to current asset. These are all debit, 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 This is credit. Amount, say 22,500, say 9,900, 4,400, and here star. Then it will ask for text. Say expenses paid. Something. Control C. Business area. Say DRHY. So everywhere we have to enter it. Right? Now this is work. Post entry, save it.
If you give the star, the total amount will be taken there.
Copied,
The
yes.
credit.
Yeah. Yes, we need not total again. System will take it up. It is taking this much of time. There may be some problem with server. It is going to get disconnected. Otherwise it will not take this much of time. So this short text part, system will pick it up. What are the short text of GL account, that will be picked up. I don't understand what system is doing for posting of small entry. Because already we have posted this kind of entry. Surprised?
I think if it is first time, it will take some time to make some
Yeah, but is it not first time? Because we are posting in DRLB company code.
Yeah.
Right, already it has been posted. Let me see. Let's see the tamasha for some time. Let me check. Did we change that? I think document splitting we have deactivated. Oh God, still it is. Something wrong with server. Seems that server connection is going very slow. Okay, meanwhile, any doubts? I can I don't want to create much pressure on the system.